Smart meters are a new kind of gas and electricity meter that most people can have in their homes to help be more in control of your energy. Smart meters work by sending your gas and electricity readings straight to your energy company. This means you know exactly how much you are spending and how much to budget.
My smart meter helps me to budget my money because I can see how much I spent. It also helps me to remember to top it up because I can see it on the screen.
I rent my own home and I was still able to have a smart meter fitted. It's saving me money already because I can see what I'm using. I'm learning every day to do things like turn my TV off at the plug instead of leaving it on standby.
You can arrange a time for installation that works for you with your energy supplier. It takes around 1 hour for an electricity meter to be fitted and about the same amount of time for a gas meter. This means your energy supply will be cut off while the meters are fitted. If you have any health conditions that means you need your energy on all the time, you can tell the energy company when you book your appointment.
Having the smart meter installed was simple. I had to do a couple of things like show them where the old meters were installed. And even though I don't have the internet at home, I was told I didn't need it to use the smart meters.
Once your smart meter is fitted, you will get an in-home display, often called an IHD, which will tell you how much energy you are using and what you are spending. You will be shown on the day how to use this. Having a smart meter fitted helps you take control of your energy usage and could help you save money. And it also helps Britain to not waste energy. For more information on smart meters and installation, get in touch with your energy company today.